Welcome to a snippet of the future. Reinforcement learning, or RL, has been making waves in the world of artificial intelligence. Imagine machines learning from their own actions and rewards, optimizing, controlling, and exploring. Intrigued? You should be. This isn't just about machines getting smarter. It's about transforming industries, from healthcare to agriculture, even sports. Picture a coach that never sleeps, continuously learning and improving strategies. That's the power of RL. So why should you care? Well, RL is rapidly reshaping our world and the way we interact with technology. It's turning science fiction into reality, and you're a part of this incredible journey. In the grand scheme of things, RL is the key to unlocking the next level of AI potential. It's like having a superpowered assistant that can learn and adapt, making our lives easier and more efficient. Stay tuned for more on this exciting frontier. Remember, the future isn't just coming, it's already here, and it's powered by reinforcement learning.